There's a city that rises from the middle of a desert, a place so futuristic, it feels like it was built by a civilization from another planet. A city where glass clouds, where luxury cars race beside camels, and where gold literally flows through the streets. This isn't a dream. The city that turned sand into skyscrapers and ambition into art. Once a tiny fishing village with no greenery in sight, Dubai today is modern Arabia, the playground of billionaires and the dream destination of millions. But how did this miracle happen? Let's find out. Section 1. The rise of Dubai, from desert to dream. Not too long ago, this land was nothing but endless sand dunes. No water, no trees, just the harsh desert wind and the sound of the sea. Then came oil. But instead of stopping there, Dubai's rulers had a vision to build a paradise that didn't depend on oil forever. They poured every drop of wealth into building a city of the future. And what they created changed the world's imagination of what a desert could be. Today, the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, is a federation of 7 states. Yet, when people hear UAE, they instantly think of one name, Dubai. Section 2. The City of Records and Rebellion. Dubai doesn't just build, it competes with the impossible. Every new project here starts with one question. How can we make this the biggest, the tallest, or the most luxurious in the world? And that's how the Burj Khalifa was born, a shimmering needle of steel piercing the clouds. At 828 meters high, it's not just a building, it's a statement. A declaration that says, we don't follow limits. We erase them inside. Elevators fly faster than your heartbeat, and from the top, you can literally watch the earth curve beneath you. But Dubai didn't stop there. Just a few kilometers away stands the Burj Al Arab, the world's only 7-star hotel, shaped like a sail in the middle of the ocean. It's a masterpiece of wealth, gold walls, underwater views, private helipads, rooms that cost more than most people's yearly salary. It's not a hotel. It's a dream carved in marble. Section 3. Building islands by hand. When Dubai ran out of land, it simply built more. Introducing Palm Jumeirah, an island shaped like a palm tree, handmade from sand and rock. From space, it's visible even to satellites. Each leaf of this palm holds million-dollar villas, private beaches, and some of the most luxurious resorts on Earth. It's as if the city whispered to the sea, "Move aside, I'm expanding." Section 4. Where the desert comes alive. Beyond the glitter and glass lies Dubai's golden soul, the desert. At sunset, the dunes glow like fire, and adventurers from all over the world ride through them in roaring 4x4s. This is the famous Desert Safari, a journey across the sand where thrill meets tradition. After the sun dips below the dunes, campfires light up, and the night turns magical. It's not just tourism, it's storytelling in motion. Section 5. A garden that defies nature. And just when you think Dubai has shown it all, it surprises you again. In the middle of this desert stands the Dubai Miracle Garden, a floral wonderland with over 50 million flowers. Each year, the garden is redesigned from scratch. New shapes, new colors, from giant floral castles to life-sized airplanes covered in blossoms, this place makes even nature gasp in awe. Section 6. The Kingdom of Wealth and Wonder. Dubai is where money becomes magic. Its skyline is filled with luxury. Rolls-Royces, Lamborghinis, and private jets are as common as taxis. Men wear spotless white robes called kanduras, and women move gracefully in elegant abayas, a symbol of culture and pride. But beneath the luxury lies something even more powerful: vision. It's not just about gold and glamour. It's about proving that the impossible can be engineered. Section 7. The Global Crossroad. Walk down any street and you'll meet the entire world. Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Filipinos, Europeans, everyone calls Dubai home. Over 80% of the population here are expatriates chasing dreams, and many finding them. Arabic may be the national language, but English, Urdu, Hindi, and even Tamil fill the air like music. It's not just a city, it's a living, breathing United Nations. Section 8. The legacy of a visionary. The man behind this transformation was Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, a visionary ruler who believed that progress begins with unity and faith. Under his leadership, the UAE rose from the sands and built a name that now echoes across the planet. Today, the UAE's economy stands among the world's strongest, with a GDP nearing $900 billion. From trade to technology, from art to architecture, Dubai leads the Arab world into the future. Section 9. Dubai Today, where the world gathers. Every year, millions of travelers land here, more than 20 million in 2023 alone. Some come for business, others for adventure, and many just to stand in awe of what human ambition can build. From world expos to luxury malls, from skydiving above islands to dining inside the clouds, Dubai turns every experience into a memory that lasts forever. So the next time someone tells you dreams can't come true, tell them about Dubai, a city that started with nothing but sand and built the future on top of it. From the tallest towers to the deepest passions, from silence to symphony, Dubai is proof that vision is stronger than limits. If this journey amazed you, hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible stories, and share this video with the world. Because somewhere out there, someone is dreaming. And Dubai is the proof that dreams, no matter how big, can come alive. This is not just a city, this is Dubai. See you in the next story.